Flood warning. Here we go.
Caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where much of central North Carolina, including the following counties:
That thing won't go off.
Cumberland, Davidson, Durham, Forsyth, Granville, Guilford, Larned, Hoke, Johnson, Lee, Montgomery, Moore, Orange, Person,
Just sit here and watch.
Richmond, Sampson, Scotland, Stanley, Wake, and
There it is right there.
When, through late tonight, impacts, excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers.
Wilmington did not issue anything at all during this storm. Absolutely nothing.
Drainage and urban areas. Additional details.
And I mean by nothing, they issued nothing. There was a literal tornado over my house, and as soon as it went into Hope County, it got a warning. Wilmington is literally probably one of the worst offices sometimes. Well, I mean, they're good sometimes, but on weekdays, Wilmington is not really a good office.
Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.
There it is.
Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for Hope County in central North Carolina, Scotland County in central North Carolina until 2:45 p.m. At 11:33 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Laurinburg, Rayford, Antioch, Wagram, East Laurinburg, Fillmore, Silver City, Camp Mickle, Laurel Hill, Rockridge, and Sand Hills Game Land. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. And now taking a look at the forecast for the local area.
Okay.
Issued at 10:45 a.m. West of today, a chance of thunderstorms, showers, highs in the mid-80s, east winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming south this afternoon, chance of rain 80%. Tonight, mostly cloudy, a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening.
Okay. Well, it's so confusing because I turned them all on.
Lows in the mid-70s, southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Okay, we're good now. That was actually
Monday, partly sunny. A slight chance of showers.
crazy. WXL50 was late again.